बिजनेस एंड ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट अब शुरू होने वाला है। दो चिंता के विषय थे। बात हुई थी तिलक वर्मा और अभिषेक शर्मा के बारे में। देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ बिल्ड अप, द मैनर इन विच तिलक ट्रेन्ड yesterday, the manner in which Sanju trained more, and the possibility of having another right-hander in the mix. But all that was played down by Suryakumar Yadav in his typical fashion. जिस तरीके से उन्होंने कहा कि अभिषेक को ड्रॉप कर दे, अभिषेक की जगह खिलाएं, तिलक की जगह खिलाएं, तो सूर्यकुमार यादव ने बैक किया है दोनों को और कहीं ना कहीं एक बड़ा मैसेज भी दिया है। Narendra Modi Stadium here in Ahmedabad, and it is all in readiness for the Super 8 clash between India and South Africa. The big game, business end of the tournament अब शुरू होने वाला है और सारी निगाहें इस बड़े मुकाबले पर रहने वाली है। Multiple factors and off spin is going to be one of that. That is why it was repeatedly asked both from Quinton de Kock and India captain Suryakumar Yadav when they came for their respective pre-match press conferences about how much of a role they expect off-spin to play. While Surya was ready for the challenge, defending the makeup of the playing 11 with a lot of left-handers, Quinton de Kock ने इसको play down कर दिया। उन्होंने बोला इस मैदान के ऊपर अभी तक इतना कोई टर्न देखने को नहीं मिला है, तो वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि सीमर्स ही यहाँ पर एक अहम भूमिका निभाने वाले हैं। रही बात इंडिया की, दो चिंता के विषय थे। बात हुई थी तिलक वर्मा और अभिषेक शर्मा के बारे में। There was a lot of build up, the manner in which Tilak trained yesterday, the manner in which Sanju trained more, and the possibility of having another right-hander in the mix. But all that was played down by Suryakumar Yadav in his typical fashion. जिस तरीके से उन्होंने कहा कि अभिषेक को ड्रॉप कर दे, अभिषेक की जगह खिलाएं, तिलक की जगह खिलाएं, तो सूर्यकुमार यादव ने बैक किया है दोनों को और कहीं ना कहीं एक बड़ा मैसेज भी दिया है। और सूर्य ने जिस तरीके से बोला अभिषेक, the way he has been playing in the last 1 year, he covered up for a lot of people in that playing 11, including the captain himself. So now it is their time, it is their job to do the same for him, back the youngsters. The youngster Three Ducks, he's yet to get off the mark in the tournament, but they're not losing sleep over that. It is going to be a big game because after the group stages, a lot of teams tried different things. South Africa in their last group game did give opportunities to players who were on the bench. So by now, both teams would have already figured their ideal playing 11, and there are not going to be any last-minute changes, so to say. But Indian camp would again go heavy on spin. They have the likes of Varun Chakravarti, Akshar Patel, Washington Sundar, and Kuldeep Yadav to pick from. And the makeup of the South African squad with 3 left-handers there, with 2 to 3 left-handers there, could tempt a potential option in Washington Sundar, but that will only be apparent the moment both captains walk out for the toss. There is a tempting option in Washington Sundar, but you can't rule out Akshar Patel because he has proven it time and again that he's a quality player, very able and very potent enough to bowl against any kind of batters during any stage of the game. So that interesting call will be taken by the Indian team management, coach Gautam Gambhir, captain Suryakumar Yadav with regards to the one spot. Otherwise, it looks a very straightforward playing 11 as far as India are concerned. Arshdeep Singh, Jasprit Bumrah, you have Varun Chakravarti, Hardik Pandya, Shivam Dube. So your bowling is more or less sorted, and Surya took a lot of pride. उन्होंने बोला कि उन्होंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि ये टीम 200, 250, 270 भी बनाएगी, बट वो हमेशा यही सोचते हैं कि अगर किसी दिन रन नहीं भी लगे तो इस बॉलिंग के पास उतनी कैपेबिलिटी है कि किसी भी दिन कोई भी मैच टीम के फेवर में बना सकती है। तो सारा प्रिपरेशंस का स्टेज अब खत्म हो चुका है। अब निगाहें इस मैदान पर रहेंगी। यहाँ पर कैपेसिटी क्राउड एक्सपेक्टेड है, तो चैलेंज विल बी to deal with that outside noise, the pressure which comes along of defending your T20 World Cup and added pressure क्योंकि आप घर पर खेल रहे हो, एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत है और जिस तरीके का क्रिकेट इंडिया खेल कर आई है, ये साउथ अफ्रीकन टीम वेरी होगी क्योंकि वो हारे भी थे 2024 का फाइनल। क्विंटन डी कॉक ने बोला कि इतनी बात तो उस फाइनल के बारे में नहीं हुई, बट दे आर geared up for the challenge and they will take India head on and counter whatever challenge which comes their way. So keep watching TOI Sports, like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon to stay notified. This is Sahil Malhotra from Ahmedabad, and I'll keep bringing you all the updates from India's campaign in the ongoing T20 World Cup. So keep watching.